Hello and welcome to a special 27th edition of Monday Review. In this week's Times of India home update of print news from Chandigarh, Mohali and Panchkula, join us as we test ride the city's upcoming shared bicycles. Chandigarh's bicycle share program starts from the third week of November, and it's a question how these lean machines and their new riders will fare on the streets ruled by muscle cars. Infrequent cyclists, like most of you, TOI's Deepak Yadav and Piyush Sarna will give it a shot. First, search the nearest bike station on phone. Map your route. Put on some riding gear. Taking out Smart Bike is simple. For now, it costs Rs 20 an hour and Rs 10 for 30 minutes. Still cheaper than boarding a bus or shared auto, but the membership prices promise to be even lower. Besides, it accepts digital payment. Scan QR code to open and pull the bike off the rack. The electric bicycle with Deepak is a little heavier than Piyush's manual model, so the takeoff can be a little awkward. The manual model's chainless drivetrain doesn't leave any grease marks on the pants. Today, the two TOI reporters take a ride around Sector 17. The first thing you notice on the road is that cyclists aren't always respected. Turning onto the main roads can be nerve-wracking. So is crossing major intersections. But soon enough, you start to get the hang of it. And that's when the fun begins. The battery bicycles give you an easy ride without having to pedal. You can also use pedal assist. It rides well on roads, bicycle tracks, and even in the underpasses. The drum brakes work better on wet roads. The ride was better than we thought it would be. The app can calculate the distance traveled, calories burnt, and carbon dioxide saved. Before you know, the ride is over. Let's check out the riders' experiences and a few of the things they found out about the bikes.
So public bicycle sharing system is all set to launch in the Chandigarh. These are the two types of bicycle Chandigarh Smart City Limited company is going to launch. This particular bicycle has a facility of battery along with the pedaling. This bicycle has been designed in a manner so that office goers and students can easily take it and ride it to their destination. In this bicycle, the battery is fitted here. The moment rider will pedal it, it will automatically accelerate.
This bicycle only has a paddling facility, and this comes with a solar installed LED light on the backside as well as a LED light on front, which will work while you paddle. This also has a maximum storage space for 5 kg. This bicycle doesn't have a chain system, and it is very lightweight as compared to the battery operated bicycle.
Both of these bicycles are GPS enabled so that these can be easily tracked while riding.
These bicycles are very easy to use and very affordable in price. One can only scan the QR code which is mentioned on both the bicycles.
The Chandigarh administration is all set to set up almost 600 docking stations across the city.
This facility is a major plus point for the city residents due to the facilitation of cycle tracks all across the city. Even if you think you have to steal this bike, you cannot, because it comes with anti-theft system. Also, the riders will get a 24/7 customer care number.
This particular bicycle with battery operated system has given the charging facility also. Rider can easily see how much charging is left while riding the vehicle. This bicycle is bit heavier than this manual one because the battery is fitted here, but while driving this battery operated bicycle you will not feel any kind of heaviness.
The moment you scan the QR code and start your ride, you will have to pay 20 rupees per hour. Either you ride a bicycle or you don't.
Overall, the program is great, simple to use. The bikes are sturdy and easy to ride. Rent and return are seamless. Know the rules of the road, know where you are going, stay on the red path, and then, even if you are an irregular cyclist, you will be safe. Save fuel, burn the fat. In other news, after Ravanless Dussehra, a crackerless Diwali. Farmers block highways, commuters stuck in jam. Police find that Sector 25 shooters had also fired near CM's function venue in Patiala. 16 cops hurt as mining protest turns violent. OPD visitors taste new normal at PGI. UD administration hopes for rupees 27 crore bailout. Also check out the work of our citizen reporters.
TOI citizen reporters Roshni Kumari and Abhijit Bose highlight how open dumping of garbage has become a serious problem for different localities in Zirakpur. SK Gupta brings to light poor road condition in Manimacha, Chandigarh, and Colonel TBS Bedi wants the authorities to end termite problem in trees in Phase 9 in Mohali. You can also become a TOI citizen reporter. For that, please download the CR app from Google Play or App Store.
Send in your contributions and keep reading TOI. To get your copy, call us at this number 1800 121 0005. We'll catch you in future with more news videos. Stay safe.